To turn on or off auto rotate on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is just go into your quick settings right here, and you can find this button for the auto rotation right here. This is this lock icon right here, and it is called lock orientation. So now currently the auto rotate is disabled, and we now let's enable the auto rotation. So we simply have to unlock the orientation. So let's press this button and the screen orientation is now unlocked. So let's go for the gallery application, for example, and as we turn our phone sideways, it should also rotate the screen, as you can see, and as we put our phone on this way, it also rotates the screen. So now let's quickly enable the screen orientation, lock the screen orientation, or disable auto rotation, whatever you call it. So now the screen is locked, and as we put our phone in this position, it will not like rotate. So as you can see, that's basically how you can turn on or off the screen auto rotation or the screen orientation on the Redmi Note 14S.